Hey, it's Tania. I'm back in the studio. I'm ready to share some new things with you. We all know about the dreaded dribble. Yep, the dribble. And we all try and avoid it on our pictures. And there's nothing worse of buying a gorgeous piece and you pour and it comes running down onto your tablecloth. So I'm going to explain why it happens and hopefully prevent it from happening again. Something to think about while creating. So watch the video. I hope you learned something from it, and I'll see you now afterwards. Hope you enjoy. Something I forgot to mention. The video you're about to see is one I created a while back on Facebook in the Tips and Trips group. So I'm going to bring it over so you can see the tip here again. Many people asked, how do you prevent the dribble from coming out the spout? So I thought I'll make a video and explain how I think it should work. I've made two spouts here, what looks like spout, and they're rounded and the water would fall out. What you have to keep in mind when making a spout is you do not want the water or liquid to roll over the edge. That is when you're always going to have a dribble. So if you look at this, it's beautifully rounded and it'll just roll nicely around and dribble onto the table. Where this one has the exact same concept, same pouring area, but I've made this straight and this part will roll and cut off. It is nowhere to roll. What you have to keep in mind, think of the word cut. You want to cut the liquid. So instead of it rolling over the edge, you want it to cut the liquid. So it'll be flat on one side and rounded to the outside, but has a cutting point. This is what I mean. So this piece has exactly the curve out, but it's flat. So when you pour and you go back like that, oops, you will not get any dribble because it's got a cut-off point. Where this, I haven't got a picture, but I thought I'll show you something that's nicely rounded. So as soon as you pour, you see how it's just going to dribble down the outside because it's rolling around the piece, and you will never ever have it cutting the liquid off. I hope that makes sense and explains it a bit better. Well, I hope you learned something from that video and something to think about while creating your next picture or anything that you want to pour, and it made sense of why it happens. If you did get something out of that video and you enjoyed it, please carry on following me, like, subscribe, comment. Remember, nice comments. The whole two, I'm enjoying sharing things I know, or things I hope I know. But we can carry on doing this and sharing more things. And I love the support and I really appreciate it. Till the next one, remember, subscribe.